here, I know you're looking for an affordable security system. Now, this is my fancy dancy, what do you call this again? Digoo dg-hosa dual network security system. Whew. Well, that's the name. Now, what I like about this is the ability to notify me via phone call or within the app. And that for me is a big feature. Now, what I mean is when you activate the Digoo security system via the phone using the app or with this fancy remote control that doesn't look like crap, it will notify you when someone tries to enter your property. For example, open your door or pass through the motion detector sensor. Now, I'll give you a demonstration on this. Now, it also has a built-in speaker there once you activate it using the, let's use the remote control.
System armed.
See, I'm not sure if you heard that, but it says system armed. Now, you can also disable it. See there? It notifies me that the alarm system has been activated. Now, once I press the unlock,
system disarmed.
System disarmed. Now, that's a great feature, right? Now, let's talk about the sensor. Now, we have two of this. Now, this is a window and door sensor. Now, I already installed the other one on my main door, so I only have the spare one. Now, it comes with this stickers over here. It's a dual-sided tape. Okay. Now, this acts as a door sensor or window sensor. Now, this is very easy to install on your door. Now, the good thing about the sensors are they doesn't make any sound. Now, once the intruder enters your property, it won't make any sound but send that information to the smart hub and notify you via phone call or via the app. And also, guys, if you're wondering, the battery is also replaceable. So I'm not sure about the battery size of this because I haven't opened it yet. But once it runs out, you can change the battery. And also we have the motion sensor. Now, it acts as a motion detection. So if someone detects walking by near on your property or getting inside a room, it will notify you, send that information to the smart hub, and you get the notification that someone has passed on that area. Now, there is a on and off switch here at the back. Now, if I can just, there you go. As you can see, guys, it has, see there, it will blink, okay? Now, it will take a few minutes to pair on my router network. And once it's paired, once you hover your finger like that or someone passed through, it will detect it and send that information to the smart hub and notify you via your phone. Alright guys, is that a good thing that this sensors doesn't make any sound? For me, it's a yes, because the intruder doesn't know that he triggered the alarm system, and that will send information to the smart hub and notify you. And that is when you have time to catch that intruder. See, it's very smart. Alright guys, so now let's talk about the smart hub. Now, we have a small screen display here that display time, your alarm system, and we have a menu section over here. Now we have some keypad over here. If someone, tries to unlock it and it won't do anything because you need to have a passcode there. You need to type that in. And also we have a small speaker here that makes a decent sound. Now, we also have a SIM card slot over here for the GSM. So if someone cuts your internet, you'll still get notification via phone call or through text. Now, we also have this smart feature. It has a built-in battery on this. So if someone plugs or unplugged your smart hub, for example, right now, I'm unplugging it, and it will be detected as unplugged. It will send an error report. I'm not sure why it's not working right now, but come on, work, all right? See that? So it sends the information that someone or the power has been cut from the Digoo Smart app, and that will notify you through your phone, okay? That's a smart feature there. Come on, let's put it back. Alright guys, so now let's talk about what it comes with out of the box. Now, you get your smart hub, and you get 2 door or window sensors, you get 1 motion detector, and you get a mounting bracket for the motion detector, and a USB wire to power this device. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with the power adapter, so you have to figure it out. Get a power adapter. I'll link some recommendations down below. Click that. All right, now I highly recommend that you also read the user manual guide. It will teach you how to pair this to your smartphone and connect it to your Wi-Fi system. Now, once you're done with that, all you have to do is just get the remote and
System on.
system on. Now,
System disarm.
or also you get this really cool, see, it notifies me. Now you also get this really cool remote control that doesn't look ugly. You get 2 of this. I have one connected attached to my house key, and it doesn't look ugly, guys, like my previous house remote control system. It's really disgusting, but this one, it looks like a car key. Again, guys, this remote really looks cool. It looks like a car key. You know, the what do you call this? The phone key fob. Phone key fob. No, not phone key fob. It's a car fob. What? I don't know, but it looks fantastic, guys. You get alarm, unlock. You get the home, which I really don't know what it does.
System on.
Oh, does the same thing. And you get this SOS. See that? Once you press SOS, it triggers everything in. Now we can just try to let this thing shut up for a bit.
System disarm.
Okay, now it's disarmed. That's what comes in the box, guys. Alright guys, so that's it for the smart security system. If you're looking for an affordable smart security system that does the things that you need, like notifying you, get one of this. I highly recommend it, and of course, I highly recommend that you read the user manual. It's very simple to operate, but kindly read it, okay? Now, it simply works if you have an office to protect, like my office here. I need to protect my office, my belongings, things that I have, my camera. You can actually get one of these for your office or for your home, so that you have a peace of mind that everything is okay. Now, for more details about this product, check the link in the description box. And this is available on bango.com, and special thanks to them for sending this over for a review. And guys, for more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one, and thanks for watching. Now let's press the SOS button.